Hey everyone, hope everybody's ready for the weekend, especially a hot one here in Texas. But right now I'm loading everything up, getting ready to head up to Austin, Texas, going up to check out an engine for the 68 convertible. This guy has got one up on Facebook Market and he's not wanting a lot of money for it. Says it runs. It's an Olds 350 out of a 68 convertible, which is kind of cool to get an engine from a 68 convertible to go back in 68 convertible. So went and got a U-Haul trailer and gonna start loading up the chains and all the ratchet straps and everything we're possibly gonna need. And if this engine turns out to be everything he says it is, and you know, of course, if the oil's not milky and if I can turn it, I'm probably gonna be coming home with this engine and doing a small freshening up, you know, top and bottom, and get it running and get it into the chassis for the 68 convertible. Because when I put the body back down on a frame, I really want to be able to move that car on its own power. So here's to the road trip, and hopefully safe going up and coming back. So let's see what this adventure is going to bring. All right, so I just got done picking up this engine and getting ready to head back down to Corpus. 1968 Cutlass 350.